Haven't done one of these in a while, man. A fire, out of style. On the Aprils. Let's get it.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Yes, sir, man. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I appreciate it. Every time y'all click on any one of these videos, man. Today I'm going to do a how to style on a Nike Dunk SB April joints. Now, we know it's a funny blue. We used to call it turbo green. The April skate shop is calling it racing blue. It's funny. Some of these outfits, pieces, they're going to match. Some may be a little bit off, but you still can rock with it, man. And if you watch any of these, you know we always start with essentials. Essentials is the go-to, guys. Like, as soon as you get a sneaker that you know you want to rock with, essentials is where you go, man. In this case of the Aprils, I feel like the Heather Gray is the perfect match, guys. And right now, under $150, under $100 sometimes in this colorway. But they did come out with a new colorway. And that is the mint green winter fresh. I don't know the name of it. When I first saw this on the PacSun website, when they first came out, I said I need these for the Aprils. But I don't know if it's a match. It's a little darker. So let's check it out. So I believe this here should be the crew neck. No, it's the sweats. So here's the sweats here. Now, it is a little darker, of course, because the April joints is brushed denim, so you're going to get some light hits. But I feel like you still could blend this together, man. Maybe not the sweats with the hoodie, maybe just the hoodie, or maybe just the sweats. But I feel like it's a perfect match, guys. This one here is up to the 200. It's a new colorway, so they're going to tax you a little bit, man. You know what I mean? But I feel like you could do the sweats or the hoodie. I wouldn't do it together because it is a darker green, guys. It is darker. But yeah, man, I feel like it could go. But one thing I know match for sure is these joggers here, man. Now, joggers or track pants has become like the thing for the sneaker community, and they so comfortable, I see why. This pair here is from Zamage. That's damage, but with a Z. And I always go to them for my track pants because it's just A1. You see the shoe? You see the string? Vintage string, zip pockets. This is the match, guys. This is the match. No ifs, ands, buts about it. You got the blue or the green, I guess, and then you got the white stripe all the way down. Nice jogger pants at the bottom so you can show off that SB tongue. This is the match, and it's affordable, guys. We're talking $30 or less. Sometimes they have crazy sales where they're $5. So look them up. Zamage. Damage, but it's a Z there, okay? Perfect match, guys. This is not an ad. I just like to give credit and light to people who don't have it. And speaking of websites that's dope but's not getting crazy attention, Bravest Studios, man. These shorts here, another perfect match for them Aprils, guys. Yes, the G's are orange, but come on, man. You got to put some flavor. That sneaker's only white, silver, and turbo green or racer blue. This is a perfect match, guys. $75. Bravest Studios. They're known for making the Louis Vuitton joints, so now they're venturing out to different designer brands. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Goyard. Perfect match, guys. $75. And in the B-roll, I showed y'all the Mike Bibby jersey. Got to give y'all the Michelin Ness shorts, too. Now, again, when I told y'all that green is a little funny, this is one of those little funnies, too. It match, but sometimes it don't. But it's definitely the same color code, guys. Michelin Ness, thick, quality shorts. You know what you're getting, man. Hardwood classic. Under $100. And Michelin Ness has a stupid sale right now, man. Perfect match, I feel like, if you're just lounging around. But the teal, green, blue family is funny, man. But I like this match, guys. Another thing I showed in the B-roll, but I think it needs more attention on the camera, is this class of 2020 Travis Scott, LeBron James mashup. Man, this is like spot on. This is the blue also, or the green. Spot on match, guys. You got a little logo there, say class of 2020 with, you know, people holding their hands. It was for LeBron School on the back. That's where you get all your logos from. You got the Uninterrupted logo. It should be a Cactus Jack logo, right? Yeah, the Cactus Jack is inside the Uninterrupted logo. We're all in this together. The class, the year. Perfect match. I think you can find this on StockX, and it shouldn't be that much because this sat around for a while on the Cactus Jack website. Class of 2020. This tee I really, really like, man. As you know, the Formula One NASCAR tees are getting real popular. And, man, this one is a dead-on, spot-on match for the Aprils. The car match, the words match. Believe it or not, I brought these from my Orange Lobsters. When they got here, it was like, nah. Everything matches on this shirt with the Aprils, man. I got it from PacSun. $25, guys. Like, come on, man. This is a match also, and it's still available. Just go to PacSun, type in Formula One, or just type in Turbo Green, believe it or not. I typed in Turbo Green, and it's popped up also, so good match. Hats. Yes, sir. The first thing I thought about was the Florida Marlins, the throwback, because I believe they changed their whole color scheme and name, I believe. I'm really not into the Florida Marlins. I'm a Dodgers or Yankees guy, but this is the match, guys. Throwback. Again, the Grizzlies. It's funny, man. This is the Vancouver Grizzlies throwback, as you can see. Green bottom, Michelin Ness. But I feel like the blue could be a little dark at times. Same thing with this Miami Heat hat. The blue is a little darker, man. A little more heavier than I would like to match. But this Grizzlies hat right here does it. That's the color right there. That's your Racer Blue Turbo Green. Yes, sir. These remind me of these, guys. I remember I brought these for my son's baby shower, man. That's why I still got them in my collection. I wore these to my baby shower, my son. So that's why I got these. But these are eerie similar, guys. Eerie similar, man. Yeah, it was a hard match then, and it's a hard match now. Yeah, that was just a quick how to style on the April joints. I always wait to do a how to style on a hype sneaker because I know a lot of people didn't get the chance to get their hands on it. They didn't drop on the sneakers app. You had to have a sneaker shop plug or just got lucky with a random raffle. But dope sneaker, man. If you didn't check out my top 5 SBs of the year, they're somewhere in that top 5. I won't spoil it for you. But yeah, man. Does look like Tiffany blue a little bit also. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. If you need help finding anything in this video, securing, sizing, pricing, hit me up, man. I hit you right back. I'm not a robot. I do this for y'all. I do this for us. Everybody, get rich.